Hello world, this is my final project for CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python. This is a memory game aimed at improving your memory by having you select cards in pairs. You start the game by pressing restart and cards will be randomly placed face down. If the cards won't fit and you get a blank screen, just press restart again. When you are ready to start, select 2 cards and try to find cards with the same rank and suit color. If the cards don't match, they will flip back over after a short delay. The aim is to finish in the fastest time with the least number of clicks. If you find a matching pair, you have found one of the 26 pairs on the board and they will remain face up whilst you look for more pairs. Another matching pair. 2 black 4s. When you have matched all 26 pairs, the game ends. The number of clicks and the time taken will let you know how well you have done. Have fun and good luck.